At the insistence of Govind Prabhu, I'll try to tell you something, no offense. Recently I was with Maharaj to Vrindavan for a couple of days, and Maharaj was explaining, many of you try to serve Maharaj personally, so Maharaj is explaining what the position is, being a servant. So Maharaj explained that there are 4 kinds of miseries. Usually we hear 3, but this is new Shastra. So, the 4 types of miseries are Adhyatmik, everybody knows, Adhibhautik, Adhidevik and Adhidasik. Misery caused by the servant. So in the place where Maharaj is supposed to stay, so we needed 2 rooms, one for Maharaj and the other for myself and Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu. So Maharaj was told that the 2 rooms are far away. So he said, that is very good. When I heard Krishna Chandra Prabhu's offering about the devotees of Barsana, I was reminded of another incident. Oftentimes Maharaj uses me in his service to translate, which is something a good for nothing can do. So he said that one Panditji, as you all know, very great Vaishnava and very good friend of Maharaj. So we went to meet him, and that was the time when the parikrama was going on. Their parikrama, after our last Vrindavan Yatra and Naimisharanya Yatra. So he saw us coming, and he was just taking bath, and he said, oh, welcome. And then afterwards he was talking to Maharaj and said, oh, previously you were a sadhaka, aspiring devotee, sadhaka. Now you have become a siddha purusha. That means one who is perfected. So Maharaj, in a loving way, replied, now I have become a city purusha. But actually, wherever Maharaj is, he is always chanting Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. And as Krishna Chandra Prabhu so nicely explained, that the Brajabasis, they love him so much that actually we cannot understand. They are at such high levels of devotion, and so is Maharaj. So sometimes he may not understand, but like I was asked to translate, and one of the Mataji was tell him that he should come out of this Maya and come and stay in Barsana. So Maharaj has such deep love and affection, and actually even without their exchanging words, because both have deep love for Radha and Krishna. So I beg at his, prostrated at his lotus feet, and beg that I can develop some love for the devotees and then for Radha Krishna.